Here's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, smartphone wireless charging, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Olathe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram, we have an incredible inventory of new and pre-owned vehicles to choose from. Stop in and see us today.